Here's how you can fix unable to verify app on iOS 17. So the first step is you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection. Make sure to turn on the airplane mode and turn back your Wi-Fi. So once you are done with that, you have to make sure to restart your iPhone one time. And once you are done doing that, the next step is you have to open up settings, tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that you are using latest version of the iOS. Now the next step is you have to open up your settings again and tap on general and iPhone storage. Now select the application that is problematic in your way, so you just have to select that particular app and tap on offload. Once you are done, you just have to reinstall that problematic app, and at the end you just have to open up App Store and log out your account from it and log in with some other account. Tap on account on the top right and you just have to scroll all the way until you see sign out button and simply tap on this. After that, you have to log in with some other account and see if your issue is resolved or not. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix unable to verify app on iOS 17.